taking Stewie for a walk. Jack, where are you going with Stuart? Is that the baby? Hi, baby. Jack, can you give baby Stuart a kiss? Give the baby kisses. You're so sweet. Uh-oh. Now what do we do? Uh-oh. Do you need help? There you go. That's why the baby should have a seatbelt on. There you go. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye, baby. I love you.